We all age, right? But what if I told you your body has tiny built-in clocks on your DNA, literally ticking down your cellular lifespan? We're talking about telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. They're key to aging, disease, and maybe even how long you live. Get ready to discover your body's secret timekeepers. Welcome back to my channel, where we unravel life's biggest mysteries in your DNA. Today, we're diving into those crucial little caps at the ends of your chromosomes, telomeres. Think of your chromosomes, those tightly packed bundles of DNA, like shoelaces. Now imagine the little plastic tips on the end of a shoelace. Those are kind of like telomeres. They're made of repetitive DNA sequences. In humans, it's TAGGG, and they protect your vital genetic information from fraying or getting tangled during cell division. Without them, your DNA would become unstable, causing chaos. Here's the catch. Every time a cell divides, a tiny bit of that telomere shoelace tip gets snipped off. This is called the end replication problem. So, with each cell division, your telomeres get a little shorter. Why does this matter? Because once they get critically short, your cells can't divide anymore. They either stop functioning and enter a state called senescence, basically cellular retirement, or they self-destruct. This constant shortening, especially in your frequently dividing cells, is a major reason why our tissues age and why we face age-related decline. But wait, there's a superhero in this story, an enzyme called telomerase. Telomerase is like a tiny repair crew that can add those TAGG repeats back onto the telomere ends, counteracting the shortening. It's super active during early development, in stem cells, which need to divide constantly to replenish tissues, and in our reproductive cells. This lets them maintain their telomeres and keep dividing for a long, long time. However, in most of our adult somatic cells, basically all the regular cells in your body, telomerase activity is very low or absent. This deliberate repression is what leads to telomere shortening and ultimately cellular aging. Why would evolution design us this way? Well, while short telomeres contribute to aging and diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders, there's a crucial trade-off: cancer. Here's the telomere cancer conundrum. Cancer cells are notorious for dividing uncontrollably. They achieve this immortality by reactivating telomerase. They flip that switch back on, allowing their telomeres to stay long so they can keep dividing forever, fueling tumor growth. So, while having low telomerase in most of your body helps prevent cancer, having too much can promote it. It's a delicate balance set by evolution. Beyond genetics, your lifestyle profoundly impacts your telomeres. Chronic stress, oxidative damage from pollution or poor diet, and inflammation can significantly accelerate telomere shortening. So while you can't stop the clock entirely, healthy habits might just help slow that telomere tick. Scientists are even studying telomere length as a biomarker of biological aging, a way to measure how fast your body is truly aging, not just by your birth date. This isn't just fascinating biology, it's a huge area for cancer research, as we learn from these tiny caps how to potentially fight disease. Telomeres are more than just protective caps. They're intricate cellular clocks, constantly balancing the need for cell division with the risk of uncontrolled growth. They remind us that the secrets to aging, disease, and even longevity are often hidden in the tiniest details of our DNA. What other mind-blowing genetic secrets do you want to unravel? Let me know in the comments. If you love diving into the mysteries of life like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Geneticist for more deep dives into the astonishing world of DNA. You can find more videos like this in my What in the Genes playlist. See you soon.